Missing important payment updates in your inbox? Don't sweat it. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up email notifications for your payments in Paymattic so that you never miss out on those crucial payment updates again. Let's get started. So, to begin with, jump right into all forms from the Paymattic dashboard. Let's go ahead and select the form we want to set the email notifications for. As soon as the page appears, go ahead and press on email from this bar right here. As I do that, we can see there's already a default admin email set. You can simply just enable it. But if you want, you can add a whole new notification just by pressing on this Add New Notification. Simply, just customize it according to your needs and voila! Your new notification can be set according to your words. After you're done with this part, choose the option on when the email will be sent and hit Update. And that's all! See how easily email notifications can be set via Paymattic? Now go and unlock the full power of Paymattic with personalized email notifications.